Click on the link below to get price. The Thrustmaster TPR Pendular Rudder pedals are a standout addition to the world of flight simulation controls, providing an impressive level of realism and precision for enthusiasts and professionals alike. The first thing that strikes you upon unboxing the TPR pedals is their robust construction. Made from high-quality materials, they exude a sense of durability that promises longevity even with regular use. The standout feature of these pedals is their pendular mechanism, which mimics the motion of real aircraft rudder controls, offering an unmatched level of immersion. This design allows for smooth and precise movements, making it easier to manage aircraft yaw during complex maneuvers. The adjustable pressure settings are another significant advantage, allowing users to customize the resistance according to their preferences. This means that whether you prefer a soft touch for casual flying or a stiffer action for more serious simulations, the TPR pedals can cater to your needs. Installation is straightforward, with the pedals easily connecting to your PC via USB. The included software is intuitive and allows for easy calibration and customization of controls, ensuring that you can tailor the setup to your specific flight sim software. Compatibility with various platforms is excellent, making it a versatile choice for anyone with a range of simulators. The build quality is impressive, with a wide base that ensures stability during intense gaming sessions. The non-slip feet also help keep the pedals firmly in place while you're performing maneuvers. However, it's worth noting that the initial price point may be a consideration for some. While they are an investment, the level of realism and control provided by the TPR pedals justifies the cost for serious flight simulation enthusiasts. Overall, the Thrustmaster TPR Pendular Rudder pedals are an exceptional product that elevates the flight simulation experience, delivering both quality and performance that is hard to beat.